Hey guys, welcome back to Travel and Fun.
Yes, and today we thought of getting out and just wandering around a bit. So we have been to this place earlier with one of our friend, but we didn't have enough time to explore. So today we are here to explore. And this is one of the most famous
tourist attraction in Copenhagen.
Exactly, and it's called
Strøget.
Yeah,
it is a pedestrian street.
Yes. So more details about this Strøget or the walking street or pedestrian street, Anu will tell you. So she has actually read about it a lot because it's such shopping street, completely shopping street. So she knows much better than what I know here. So let's go to Anu.
So guys, the way behind me, you can see, it is called the Strøget.
Yeah.
One end is linked to this Night Torv.
New Torv.
Yeah,
this is the Kongens New Torv area that you see. It's called the King's New Tower.
Square.
King's Square.
New King Square.
Yeah. Okay.
So this Strøget, it is the shopping street of Copenhagen, which has all the luxury brands, topmost brands of this country and even other countries also they have. And this area is specially for pedestrians. No vehicles are allowed. I think cycling is allowed, but other than that, no cars or heavy vehicles are allowed. No traffic, no rules. You can just walk ahead and shop. There are plenty of shops here, and it is of 1.1 kilometer long shopping street.
Yeah.
Only for shopping.
So come with a lot of money and spend it all here.
Yeah, you have all the brands, all the topmost brands till the,
Yeah, from the smallest one to the biggest ones, you have everything inside. So let's walk.
Yeah, let's.
Let's.
And also you have enough and more street foods, fast food, street food, burger, kebab, and all those things. So you can eat and shop.
Yeah, so let's go.
So this is it. Crepe shop. Yeah. Where we have had crepes.
We had crepes in France. In Paris. Yeah, that's what Paris.
Just below the Eiffel Tower.
Exactly, in Paris.
You know what the crepes? It is like Godum dosha and Nutella in it. Literally that is crepes.
Yeah, exactly.
You have this wine tasting.
Yeah, you can taste wines there, see?
It was an Italian brand. Remember?
Yeah, I know. Huh? You want to have churros?
Not now.
Okay.
This place is also very, this place is very famous for souvenirs.
Yeah.
It is a very known tourist place, so people come here can buy souvenirs of Copenhagen.
Yeah, Copenhagen and Denmark. Yeah.
Buy some souvenirs along with lot of memories and go.
Yeah. So you can see all big
Photos,
brands like
places.
Diesel. Yeah. And you can see there is a museum of the Guinness Book of World Records.
Yeah, there is also the tallest man. So the man inside, he is the record. He broke the record of height. Longest man, tallest man.
Yeah.
And I am only 1/3 of his size.
Are you sure? At least you are 1/3.
I am 1/3.
Yeah. Okay. So you can see the big brands here like Bang & Olufsen. All good big brands.
But they are all closed. Like few are closed because of this COVID situation.
Yeah. You can see all people walking here. So no vehicles. You can see cycles and all, but no.
It's allowed, but you have to pull your cycle and go.
Exactly. So it's actually spread out. You have the street here also. It's also it's also part of Strøget.
And they have this banner of Pride Week.
Yeah, it's actually linked to this Euro Games.
Yes.
Which is already done. So the Euro Games are done. You can say Hugo Boss. How do you call it? Hugo Boss. Yeah. So which is your favorite shop here? Favorite place to
No,
go?
I don't know. I don't know most of the shops.
Okay.
More than saying favorite, I would say the shops which I know
Okay.
are Mango,
Okay.
H&M,
Okay.
Body Shop,
Okay.
New Yorker.
Uh-huh.
That's it.
Okay. So let me ask you a
And then the
question.
top brands like Calvin Klein,
Okay.
Hugo Boss,
So,
Zara.
so let me ask you a question. So if someone gives you like around 50,000 crowns now free, so what will you do with that in the street? I mean, what all will you shop?
In the street,
Yeah.
I'll go to all shops and I'll get one thing as a souvenir for me.
But not a souvenir, okay? So this 50,000 is
See,
free.
you have Gucci.
It's Gucci. Gucci. Okay. So give the answer. Yeah.
I'll
So
go to
50,000
Gucci.
crowns free.
I'll go to Gucci.
Okay. And what will you get from there?
Maybe a handbag.
Okay. A good handbag. Okay. So suppose that handbag will cost you around 7,000 crowns. Yeah, because it's a big brand and it will cost you around 7,000 crowns. Okay. What next?
Next, I'll go to. I don't know. No, I'm a window shopper.
Okay. Then you'll go to this
I'll go to
body
Body
shop.
Shop.
Body shop. Okay. So how many crowns will you spend there in body shop? 10,000?
No,
Okay. Then
like around 1,000.
1,000 crowns. You still have a lot of money left.
But nobody's going to give you. I mean, 50,000 crowns. Even you're not going to get it.
I just hope so.
I hope you earn 50,000 crowns
Yeah.
in a single day.
Oh my god. Thank you so much. I wish so.
But if you want to dine at a restaurant, you need COVID negative certificate.
Yeah. Either the COVID negative certificate or a COVID pass that you are vaccinated. I think my COVID pass should have arrived by now.
Yeah, it's Saturday. Yours was Friday, right?
Yeah.
So technically today is your 15th day.
Crowns, what is it?
Yeah, I'm going to go to only one shop. For the rest of the amount,
Yeah.
I'll go to the shop
Louis Vuitton.
and I'll complete it.
Yeah? Okay. So that's the shop where you can spend all the money.
No, I won't do it. I'm not such stone-hearted to complete all my, cash there.
Okay. Ah, look at this rickshaw. It's beautiful.
And there's a fountain.
How do you feel?
This lights, I remember lights from Goa. We went to that place, no?
Ah, the colorful street. Yeah, forgot the name.
And I forgot the name.
Okay. So we'll link the video above. Yeah? I think we have a video about it.
Yeah.
About that place.
Something smells yum.
Yeah.
She would jump in early, so she just started for me 10 minutes early. It doesn't happen now.
So this is one part of the street. We're actually in the next lane to the main street.
Yeah. It was so crowded.
Yeah, too crowded. The bachelor party is going on. So guys, an interesting topic came out. So we were just talking about how many countries we went to, yeah, together. So first we'll count together, and then we'll see individually if she has gone to some other country. I don't think so, but I have been to. So we'll count that separately. So together, okay. So So even if we have stepped foot in, we'll count that as one country. We have not visited and all, but still. So you can understand that.
No, visited countries I count you.
Okay, then only visited countries. Okay. So, and let's not count India. Okay, because that's our motherland. Okay. So,
And not Dubai.
yeah, obviously.
Though
So
we
they are
have-
transit countries. So we will not count
Dubai,
transit countries. Doha, Qatar and all we will not count. Okay, so let's start with Germany. Okay, Germany. One.
Germany, Hungary,
Okay.
Prague, Italy, Vatican.
Okay, Prague is
Austria.
Czech Republic.
Ah.
Czech Republic. Vatican is Italy. So no, Vatican is a different country. So
Yeah.
four, and then Austria. Okay, France.
You count.
Okay, again. Germany.
Germany,
Hmm.
Hungary,
Okay. Czech Republic.
Prague, Czech Republic,
Okay.
in Italy,
Okay.
Austria,
Okay. France.
France,
Yeah.
Malaysia,
Malaysia. Okay. And Denmark.
Denmark.
Nice.
8.
Did we miss anything? No.
No.
I think that was it. Yeah. So 8 countries. So we have. I think there are 188 countries. We have visited 8 countries only. 180
Yeah,
more.
180 more.
So there's a lot of travel remaining. Let's go, guys. You enjoy the views. Oh, you came to another parallel. Yeah, the main street.
Italian. You want to try something Italian?
No, because tonight I'm gonna have pizza. So what do you wanna have?
Curious.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Ice cream for your ice cream. You go curious.
Yeah, yeah. Churros with ice cream. So we are having the strawberry vanilla ice cream. Yeah. And Anu is going to have that one over there. But without the ice cream, yeah? How's it? Good?
This is Cheerios.
Thank you.
Cheerios.
It's yum. Give it to me. One bite.
It's crispy. It's crispy outside and soft inside. Coated with sugar.
Yeah. Yum. So guys, we have almost reached the end of this walking street. So the end of this walking street consists of many food eatery stalls. Yeah, like you have Burger King, McDonald's, many Chinese restaurants and stuff.
Momo shop.
Yeah, Momo's shop and all. So there's a lot of things here.
Bubble tea.
So when you come to Copenhagen, make sure you visit this street. Come with a lot of money and you can really have fun here.
Okay, if you're not shopping, also do window shopping. It's nice. It's very active place. You have live music.
Yeah, and you can see a lot of people here. And especially now these COVID restrictions and all are taken off now here in Denmark. So it's really cool now. So when you visit Denmark, when you visit Copenhagen, make sure you come to Strøget.
Yeah.
Hope you guys like this video of Strøget. And we'll come up with another video soon. Until our next video,
It's bye from us.
bye from Copenhagen. Bye.